last century.
How's it going, man?
Good, how are you?
Doing good? And yeah, doing good, man. So we just did a feature on your name?
Alec.
Alec?
Yep.
So I've known Alec for a little while. He just got this car not too long ago, have you?
March.
March?
Yep, I believe that was the month.
Okay. So tell us a little bit about the car.
Nothing too special. She's 100% stock. We put a Whippoorwill spoiler on it. They only made 262 of the 2SS in the shop color. They didn't keep track of the 1LE numbers, so that number is completely unknown. It's a 2SS 1LE, so that comes with the anti-reflective hood, black mirror caps, the lip, and then mag ride and Alcantara on the inside seats, Recaro seats.
Heck yeah.
A lot of lighting on the inside.
It's a pretty nice spec. The color is just crazy. Camera only does so much justice. If you guys want to go on to the Instagram page, we did do a photo shoot. I will have some of them up on there. Also on the Facebook page as well too. But yeah, I can't thank Alec enough for letting us shoot with this car. This badass car the way it was. We were kind of last minute trying to plan things here. Worked out for the best part for what it was. So the thing that I'm gonna ask you, and that you guys are going to obviously start witnessing, is when I do these feature cars, I'm now going to ask him, who would you like to see on the next feature?
I got my buddy Dalton Trampy. He's got an RT Charger. I think it's a 2019.
Okay. So
it's freaking clean.
Dalton, we're gonna be seeing if you wanna shoot. If not, we'll pass the torch along, and we're just gonna see where this leads. We'll see who we meet, what kind of cars that we ended up finding, and kind of see where it brings the YouTube channel at that point, I suppose. So I mean, we've been at it for a little while, so I think we're gonna get out of here. We'll get out of their hair, let them enjoy the day. Had a great time at the car show. Again, if you guys are in the Grand Island area and you are looking for a car show, at the last Saturday of July, I believe is when they said they're going to be having them. They're trying to grow this event and they're trying to make it good. What is something that you'd like to see at the show as far as an improvement?
For the Grand Island cruise? Probably some more events. I mean, all it is right now is a car show and a little cruise, you know?
Yeah.
Comparing to the Carney Cruise night, which is pretty hard to beat. I mean, it's just, all it really is a car show, so I don't know.
Yeah. Maybe a little bit of shade too, since it is in a parking lot. That would definitely be helpful. A band was kind of the talk that they might do next year.
That would be cool, yeah.
Any recommendations of a band that you know of?
Local bands.
Yeah.
Shoot. I don't know any.
I don't know either.
I don't know any local bands.
Not too big in the band scene. Again, we're in the cars right here, so we know all sorts of cars and we can get all the cars. But if you guys know any bands, any local people to the Buffalo County, right? I'm originally from Dawson, so Buffalo County. Go ahead and comment them down below, tag them, share the video to them, or reach out to the Island Cruise people and let them know that you guys are willing to put on a show for them or anything. They'd be more than willing to accept any type of idea that anybody has, or just to receive input basically. So again, comment down below, like the video, share, the whole fucking works, you know how that goes. Again, appreciate Alec bringing out the Camaro and everything. Things beautiful. Yeah. And we'll catch you later.
Yeah.
And
thanks for all your time, man.
No problem. So until then, guys, it's 90.91. I'm Blake, bruh. Thanks for tuning in.